Have you ever noticed how overwhelmed parents become when shopping for kids? One website says a stroller is the best. Another recommends something completely different. Reviews are often contradictory, sponsored, outdated, or simply unreliable. Meanwhile, parents are trying to make important decisions about products that affect their children's comfort, safety, and development. Now imagine a platform that does all the research for them. Instead of forcing parents to scroll through thousands of products, it carefully selects only the best options based on quality, safety, functionality, expert opinions, and real user experiences. That is the power of a curated kids gear platform. And here's the surprising part. You don't need to manufacture toys, strollers, car seats, baby monitors, or educational products to build a successful business in this space. You simply need to become a trusted guide for parents who are overwhelmed by too many choices. In today's video, we're going to explore exactly how to launch a curated kids gear platform from scratch, how these businesses make money, what features parents actually want, and how you can position yourself as a trusted authority in one of the fastest growing consumer markets in the world. Let's dive in. The first thing to understand is what a curated kids gear platform actually is. Unlike a traditional online store that tries to sell every product imaginable, a curated platform focuses on quality over quantity. Instead of listing 10,000 products, it might feature only the top 10 strollers, the safest car seats, the most educational toys, or the best products for specific age groups. Think about the difference from a parent's perspective. A parent searching for a baby carrier doesn't want to compare hundreds of options. They want someone trustworthy to narrow the choices and explain why certain products stand out. They want confidence that the products have been carefully evaluated. This is exactly where the business opportunity exists. Modern consumers are experiencing decision fatigue. Every category has endless choices, and parents are particularly cautious because they are buying for their children. This creates demand for platforms that simplify decisions and save time. The key value proposition is simple. Instead of helping customers find more products, you help them find better products. That distinction is what separates successful curated platforms from ordinary e-commerce websites. Before building anything, you need to define your niche. One of the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make is trying to serve every parent and every child-related category immediately. The smarter approach is to start narrow. You might focus exclusively on newborn essentials. You could specialize in educational toys. Perhaps your platform centers around eco-friendly kids products, travel gear for families, special needs equipment, or premium baby products. A focused niche makes it easier to build authority and trust. Imagine two websites. The first claims to cover every children's product category in existence. The second specializes exclusively in helping parents choose safe and practical products for babies under 2 years old. Most parents will naturally trust the specialist more. Specialization creates credibility. As your platform grows, you can gradually expand into adjacent categories while maintaining your reputation for quality recommendations. Once you've selected your niche, the next step is creating your product selection framework. This is where your platform becomes truly valuable. Parents need to understand why products are being recommended. You cannot simply say that a stroller is great. You must explain the criteria behind the recommendation. For example, your evaluation system could include safety certifications, durability, ease of use, customer satisfaction, expert reviews, warranty coverage, design quality, portability, environmental impact, and value for money. Every product on your platform should be assessed through a consistent process. This consistency builds trust over time. If visitors see detailed evaluations and transparent reasoning, they are more likely to rely on your recommendations for future purchases. Trust is the most valuable asset in this business. Without trust, you're just another website. With trust, you become a go-to resource that parents return to repeatedly as their children grow. Now let's talk about sourcing products. Interestingly, you don't necessarily need inventory. Many successful curated platforms begin as content-driven businesses. They research products, write detailed reviews, create comparison guides, and direct customers to partner retailers through affiliate programs. This approach dramatically reduces startup costs. Instead of purchasing inventory, managing warehouses, and handling shipping logistics, you focus on research, content creation, and audience building. When a parent clicks your recommendation and purchases through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. As traffic grows, these commissions can become substantial. Another option is creating partnerships directly with brands. As your audience expands, manufacturers may be willing to provide products for testing, offer exclusive discounts to your users, or sponsor content on your platform. Over time, your business evolves from simply recommending products to becoming a trusted marketplace of vetted solutions. But no matter which monetization strategy you choose, content remains the foundation. Think about how parents search online. They ask questions. What is the safest car seat? Which stroller is best for travel? What educational toys help develop problem-solving skills? Which baby monitor offers the best value? Your platform should answer these questions better than anyone else. Every article, review, comparison guide, and recommendation should solve a specific problem. The goal isn't to sell products immediately. The goal is to earn trust first. Sales become much easier when people believe your recommendations are genuinely helping them. This brings us to one of the most important aspects of launching a curated kids gear platform: creating authority. Parents are naturally protective and cautious. They won't trust recommendations from an unknown source without evidence. That's why expert-backed content can significantly strengthen your platform. You can reference pediatric guidance, child development research, safety standards, educational principles, and interviews with professionals. You can also incorporate real-world parent experiences and user-generated reviews. The combination of expert insight and authentic user feedback creates a powerful trust-building mechanism. When parents see that recommendations are supported by research and practical experience, they feel more confident making purchasing decisions. And confidence is exactly what your platform is selling. You're not really selling products. You're selling peace of mind. You're helping parents feel confident that they are making informed choices for their children. That emotional value is far more powerful than any product feature or specification. Now that we've covered the foundation of a curated kids gear platform, let's talk about building the actual experience that parents will use every day. One of the biggest reasons many e-commerce websites fail to gain loyal customers is that they focus on products instead of decision-making. Parents don't wake up thinking, "I need a product." They wake up thinking, "I need a solution." Maybe they're preparing for a newborn. Maybe they're planning a family vacation. Maybe their child is entering preschool. Maybe they need safer equipment for a growing toddler. Your platform should be designed around these real-life situations. Instead of organizing everything solely by product categories, consider creating collections based on parenting needs and life stages. For example, a first-time parent could visit a newborn essentials section and immediately see carefully selected recommendations for strollers, baby carriers, cribs, monitors, feeding accessories, and safety products. A parent planning a trip could visit a travel with kids section and discover the best travel strollers, portable cribs, travel-friendly toys, and child safety accessories. This approach dramatically improves user experience because it mirrors how parents actually think. The next critical feature is comparison tools. Parents love comparisons because they reduce uncertainty. Imagine a visitor comparing 3 strollers side by side. Instead of forcing them to visit multiple websites and gather information manually, your platform presents everything in one place. Weight, dimensions, storage capacity, ease of folding, travel suitability, age compatibility, safety features, customer ratings, and pricing can all be displayed clearly. The easier you make decisions, the more valuable your platform becomes. Another feature that can significantly increase engagement is personalized recommendations. Parents have different budgets, lifestyles, and priorities. A family living in a city apartment has different needs than a family living in a suburban home. Some parents prioritize affordability. Others prioritize premium quality. Some prioritize sustainability. Others prioritize convenience. The more personalized the experience becomes, the stronger your relationship with users. Even a simple quiz can be incredibly effective. Imagine asking visitors a few questions about their child's age, budget, lifestyle, and preferences. At the end of the quiz, your platform generates a customized list of recommended products. This creates a highly engaging experience while helping parents find exactly what they need. Now let's discuss audience growth, because even the best platform cannot succeed without traffic. One of the most powerful growth channels is search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. Parents are constantly searching online for advice and recommendations. Every question represents a potential visitor. Think about the thousands of searches occurring every day. Best stroller for small cars. Best educational toys for 3-year-olds. Safest baby monitor. Best car seat for long trips. Each search represents someone actively looking for help. By creating high-quality content that answers these questions, your platform can attract visitors consistently for years. Unlike paid advertising, strong SEO content continues generating traffic long after it is published. Another highly effective channel is social media. Parents spend significant time on platforms where they discover parenting tips, product recommendations, family advice, and educational content. Short-form videos can be especially powerful. Imagine creating quick videos that compare popular products, demonstrate useful features, explain safety considerations, or highlight products that solve common parenting challenges. These videos can drive awareness while positioning your brand as a trusted resource. Email marketing is another asset that many entrepreneurs underestimate. Every visitor who subscribes to your newsletter becomes a potential long-term customer. As children grow, their needs change. A parent who today needs newborn products may need educational toys next year, school supplies later, and family travel gear after that. This creates opportunities for long-term relationships and recurring revenue. By delivering useful recommendations, parenting insights, product updates, and seasonal buying guides, you can remain relevant throughout a child's development journey. Now let's talk about monetization. Most people immediately think about affiliate commissions, and yes, affiliate marketing can be a major revenue source. When parents purchase recommended products through your links, you earn a percentage of the sale. However, the strongest businesses usually diversify their income streams. Advertising can become one source of revenue once traffic reaches significant levels. Sponsored content is another opportunity. Brands often want access to highly targeted audiences, especially parents who are actively researching products. A premium membership model is another interesting option. Imagine offering subscribers exclusive buying guides, personalized consultations, advanced comparison tools, early access to recommendations, and members-only discounts. Some parents are willing to pay for trusted advice if it saves them time and prevents costly purchasing mistakes. You could also develop your own digital products. Buying guides, parenting resource kits, product selection checklists, and educational materials can all generate additional income while strengthening your authority. As your audience grows, you may even launch your own branded products. Many successful companies began by curating products before eventually creating their own. Because they understood customer needs deeply, they were able to design products that solved real problems. This creates an exciting long-term growth path. But perhaps the most important lesson in building a curated kids gear platform is understanding that trust scales. Every recommendation you make either strengthens or weakens your reputation. If you recommend products solely because they generate commissions, people will eventually notice. If you consistently prioritize quality, safety, and customer satisfaction, your audience will reward you with loyalty. And loyalty is incredibly valuable. A parent who trusts your recommendations for a stroller may later trust your advice for toys, educational products, travel gear, safety equipment, and dozens of future purchases. One satisfied customer can remain with your platform for years. That is why transparency should always be a core principle. Be honest about affiliate relationships. Explain your evaluation process. Highlight both strengths and weaknesses of products. Authenticity builds credibility, and credibility drives growth. As we wrap up, let's bring everything together. Launching a curated kids gear platform isn't about selling thousands of products. It's about solving a problem. Parents face overwhelming choices every day. They need guidance. They need clarity. They need trusted recommendations. By selecting a niche, establishing clear evaluation standards, creating valuable content, designing helpful tools, building trust, and focusing relentlessly on the user experience, you can create a platform that serves families while building a sustainable business. The future belongs to businesses that help people make better decisions, not just more purchases. And in a world filled with endless options, a trusted guide can be more valuable than the products themselves. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more business ideas, startup strategies, and digital entrepreneurship insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.